first thing first, happy Father's Day. I appreciate everything that you've done for me the last 20 years and my siblings. And we don't say this as much to everybody, but I love you. And you're the best dad I can ever have the last 20 years of my life, because you made me who I am today, and that's a badass motherfucking excuse my language. But again, I appreciate everything that you've done. You make sure we always go first, you stay back, you make sure that we always eat first, you stay back, which you shouldn't have to, but you do it anyways because you love us. But yeah, wish you more and more and more years to be the father that you are, the years to come. And for your birthdays, because speaking of birthdays, it's in 2 weeks. So I want to say happy birthday to you. Again, thank you for everything that you've done, and you.
Yup, I'm using mic because you're always telling us to speak up. But yeah, I thought this would help. I just want to start off by saying Happy Father's Day. I know I don't really say this often, but I appreciate everything that you do for me and the family. I'm very grateful for you, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna pay you back for all that you do. And no matter where life takes me, my greatest blessings will always be as being your expensive child. Love you.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. I just wanted to say that you are a hardworking dad, and you always care and love for us. You always put us first. You sacrifice a lot of things for us. You have done a lot of things, and we love you for that. Keep doing it. That's what makes you amazing. Thank you for doing your part. Love you.
And